What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jesse here. MyMinifactory has partnered up with Dreamworks Animation and one amazing 3D designer to bring you a 3D printable Voltron file. Let's get it printed and check it out. Alright, so here's the fully printed Voltron file. This again was in collaboration with MyMinifactory and Dreamworks Animation and Tom Davis. This thing is absolutely wild. Tom did an amazing job of actually digitally sculpting this and then having Dreamworks Animation approve this so that we can run off now and print this for ourselves. This is a two-part file. I scaled this up by 200% to print this. I think I printed this with 8% infill at 2mm layer height on the artillery Sidewinder, and for the most part this thing turned out really nice. Very minimal supports that I needed here. I actually could have done away with a lot less of supports, and I might even be able to do away with almost no supports whatsoever if I would have had that printer dialed in just a little bit more. I ended up having the back side here of the top of the print using a lot more supports than I needed, and the supports actually ended up failing halfway through the print, but everything printed for the most part really nicely, except for a few points here that I really haven't gone through and cleaned up just yet. The base turned out really nice and everything just slides together nice and smoothly here. As a kid, I was a huge fan of Voltron from the 80s, and I'm excited that Voltron is back and that my kids can actually tune in and watch this as well in a new version of Voltron. Again, this file you can download over on MyMinifactory, and I'm super thrilled that MyMinifactory is taking things above and beyond just a platform for you to host files and download files, but actually collaborating with brands, with design firms, with all sorts of different organizations, along with these amazing designers that take part and are active members within that community to bring you things like this partnership here with Dreamworks Animation and this Voltron file. This is such a cool thing, and I really hope that this continues to grow and expand. So I will be painting this over the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned. I'll probably be covering this in one of my Sundays with Jessy. I'm still not quite sure the color scheme I'm going to go with this, if I'm going to stick with the actual traditional color scheme for Voltron or do something maybe like a bronzed version of this. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Again, this is sort of timed up with their announcement with the partnership. And again, I just wanted to reiterate how cool this is that MyMinifactory is partnering up with brands like Dreamworks Animation, along with some of the amazing designers that are out here in this community. Hey, thanks again for watching, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below about the Voltron file, and if you're interested in printing one for yourself, I'll have links down below to that, where you can find the files and print one for yourself. Hey, thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.